Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I would like to do another expectation versus reality video. After my first expectation versus reality video went up, you guys gave me such a great response and you told me that you want to see more of those videos. I went to my Instagram account and I gave you a chance so you can vote and tell me what kind of kid should I review next. While you were voting and giving me great ideas along the way, I received this message. I know it was just one message, but it got me thinking. This message said something like this: good deeds come from good heart. So, as I said, it got me thinking, and before posting my second expectation versus reality video, I want to explain why I want to do these videos. I am not here to trash the seller or trash their product. I am here to give you my honest opinion on products that I get for free or buy purchase online. It is not fair when false advertisement makes us pay for something that is not going to get delivered to us, right? I can't review all of the kits that are online on the market, but the ones that I do review, you will hear about it. Kit from my first expectation versus reality video was a complete mess. I hated the colors, but as I said, I didn't mind the quality of balloons. They were actually decent, and I said that you can make that balloon garland work if you want, but the fact that the colors and types of balloons didn't match the caption of product and picture that they were advertising their product with, that what got me. There are many companies that are actually taking time to set up their own product for a photo shoot to post those pictures for buyers to let them know what they're gonna get after purchasing. I can't stand again and again when buyers, somebody's taking somebody's pictures, amazing looking pictures, and trying to advertise false product. You guys, my suggestion, if you see amazing looking setup, go to reviews. Go read every single, not every single, but go read reviews. See what the buyers, customers from that company would have to say about a certain product. If you like what you read, then go ahead and purchase it. My second tip: go through all the pictures that the buyer posted. If you see bad quality pictures, if you see that certain product in so many random places, probably maybe photoshopped, because I saw a whole bunch of pictures and balloons on certain pictures were photoshopped into a picture, then think twice before you buy. Just a tip, just a suggestion. My point of all of this: if I review a good kit, I'll let you know. If I review a kit with problems, I'll let you know. If it's gonna be a terrible balloon garland, I'll let you know. All right, I hope I made that clear. I'm not here to sabotage any companies and anybody's product. I'm here to give you my honest review. Everything I will be using in today's video will be linked and listed in the description under the video. Go ahead and check it out. And without any further ado, let's go. Here is how this balloon garland looks on Amazon. I bought two kits. One kit will cost you $25.99, and the caption of this balloon garland says that it's magical unicorn rainbow macaroon balloon garland arch kit for pastel baby shower, birthday, bridal shower, ice cream party decoration. This picture looks very promising. We'll see if we're gonna have this from that. I have high hopes. This kit has 28 reviews, 4 stars, but from the caption I can tell that we are having pastel colors, so that's good. And if we scroll all the way down to the description of this kit, they break everything down for us. So one kit will include 139 macaroon balloons in 10, 5, 18 inches. Colors are purple, blue, yellow, pink, green, white, and foiled gold stars. I mean, so far so good. Let's open one bag up and see what we have. See, we have a whole bunch of balloons in different colors. I am curious to see how they're gonna look when they're blowing. I'm pretty sure the color will be pastel. I am positive. Then we have these gold star balloons, balloon strip to construct your balloon garland, a pack of glue dots, balloon tying tool. This thing is very handy, curling ribbon, and hand pump. You guys, looking at the pile of balloons that we have here and at the picture that we have from Amazon, I can tell right away we're not gonna have enough balloons to recreate this balloon garland kit. To recreate this, you would probably have to purchase probably 3 balloon garlands kit to have this full of balloon garland. I wanted to do something different with this kit, but feels like I will mimic whatever they have on the picture, and I'm going to see if we can create this design with 2 kits. I am ready to tackle all of my balloons. I am blowing 2 kits. I will be using balloon strip to construct my balloon garland, so that means I would need to blow my balloons individually and tie them individually, and I will be using this balloon tying tool to protect my fingers from having blisters. As soon as you're done blowing your balloon, press your balloon against the floor to give your balloon more rounder shape. Right from the bat, I like the quality of these balloons. They are soft, easy to work with, and they do have a hint of stink in them, but it's not bad. It's very settled, it's manageable. So let's deal with other balloons. Amount of balloons from one kit, so let's blow a second one. Time to construct our balloon garland. I am taking one of the balloon strips that we have from those 2 kits. As you can see, there's 2 holes, a bigger hole, little opening, and then a smaller hole. We're starting to insert our balloon through bigger hole. Make sure your knot is completely through. Okay, and then slide your balloon through the opening into a smaller hole and let it go. That's all you need to do. I can't really give you a pattern when to skip holes. When you're gonna see your balloons are starting to pop out of your strip, that means you need to skip a hole. I won't be alternating sides. I will be inserting every balloon on one side. I don't see a difference if you alternate or just use one side. I will be working one color at a time, so I'm starting with pink, and then probably I'll go with yellow, green, and blue, and then we'll see. And oh, by the way, you guys, I am leaving white color out of the strip. I'm gonna do something later with white balloons, and I am leaving 5-inch balloons out of the strip as well. So I'm basically working with bigger size balloons. You guys, my balloon garland is on my backdrop. How I hang all of my balloon garlands, I will link a video of commonly asked questions, In that video, I answer, first of all, a lot of questions about balloon garlands. Second of all, I do show an up close on how I hang all of my garlands on my backdrops and how I hang all of my garlands using command hooks. I love my command hooks. They are great. If you use them properly, you won't have problems damaging your walls. Now, fun part begins. We are taking our glue dots and we are starting to fill in spaces. As I hung this balloon garland, looking at it and looking at the picture that we got from the seller on Amazon, if you want exactly the same kind of style what they have on picture, you would have to purchase 2 kits. I don't think you would even come close to that style that they have advertised with 1 kit. You guys, so far so good. Quality of these balloons are great. I lost only 2 balloons so far. 1 deflated, 1 popped, and colors of these balloons are definitely pastel. They are not bright in color. So as I said, so far so good. Let's go and read some of the reviews. I like to read 1-star reviews first to understand why people didn't like the kit and what was the issue. So my first 1-star review says that not exactly colors, shade gets really light after blowing, green color, balloon popped after blowing, pop was broken, balloon glue dots, first stick, bad quality. About the color, quickly wanted to clarify. Caption of this garland, it clearly said macaroon balloons pastel colors. So if you see macaroon balloons or pastel color, that means you're not going to get a lot of color in your balloons because it's pastel, it's muted color. About glue dots that first stick, yes, glue dots can lose their stickiness. If you're gonna try to place it in one spot and you want to replace it, you tear the balloon glue dot off of the first balloon and replace it. Glue dots can pick up all the dust and all the powder that balloons are treated with, and they will lose stickiness. 2-star review, they say, I say it doesn't look like a picture. I want it like a pastel color, but it didn't come out like that. As I said, you guys, if you want exactly like picture advertised, you would have to buy 2 kits. It would be probably the closest to the picture. 3-star review. This picture is deceiving. There are not enough balloons to mimic the picture. The balloons were not as pastel either. Good quality balloons though. All the balloons you see in the picture is all the balloons that came in the package. It's a cute balloon garland that the buyer made. Let's read a 5-star review, right? Exactly what I was looking for. Super easy. Easy to assemble, sturdy balloons, great accessory included. They were super helpful. Another 5-star review. We love this. It took us a while to blow all of the balloons. Yes, there's a lot of balloons to blow individually. It was all worth it to see my 2-year-old excitement on her birthday. There's a whole bunch of other reviews, 5-star reviews. People like this kit, so let's fill in spaces and let's finish this up, because you guys, it's past 1 a.m. right now, so I really want to finish it up and just go to bed, get some rest. But I'm kind of excited to see what this whole thing's gonna look like. I wanted to mention really quickly, when your balloon garland is on your backdrop, on your wall, you can always, you know, twist your balloons, play around with balloons, find the better side of your garland. And as I did here, kind of played around with my balloons, pushed these big balloons a little bit more forward so they will be more visible. So yeah, you guys, let's go fill in spaces. You guys, I totally forgot that I have these foil balloons. I didn't want to insert these white balloons into this setup, but I paired my white balloons into pairs and I want to make a small cloud. So I am building this cloud like I usually build my balloon garlands. I am taking my 30-pound fishing line, tying it to my first pair, taking my second pair right on top, pinching my balloons, take your fishing line, wrap around one of the newly placed balloons, pinch your balloons, pull on your fishing line, again wrap around different balloon, pinch your balloons, pull on your fishing line. Be careful how hard you pull on your fishing line because fishing line and curling ribbon can cut your balloons. Third cluster right on top, doing exactly the same thing. Now I am repositioning my fishing line to where I want to place my extra pair, and just do exactly the same thing. Wrap, push and pull, wrap around totally random balloons. Okay, reposition your fishing line again. Blowing my foiled balloons with my hand pump because all the self-sealing balloons, orbs balloons, have this plastic insert in them, and using warm electric balloon pump you have a chance that you can melt this insert in your balloons and balloons will start deflating. So hand pump is much safer. Is what I have for you guys today. This is my take on these two balloon garland kits that I got off of Amazon. You guys, I am surprised by the quality of these balloons. I really like them. I lost only 3 balloons from the quantity of all the balloons that I have here. Balloons were soft and easy to work with. I mean, I like it. The only thing, these 18-inch balloons, they are a little bit different in color than these smaller balloons, but it's not that terrible. It's not as noticeable as you would think, you know what I mean? Everything was built with balloon strip and glue dots that were included in the kit. I mean, I like it, you guys. I really do. I tried to give this balloon garland a little bit of shape, but it didn't work out what I was actually thinking to do with it, but it looks pretty good. You guys, if you want to mimic whatever picture that they advertise this product with, you would have to buy 2 kits because 2 kits looks very full, looks really good, and I like it. Only this part, you guys, I forgot to tell you, this part was built with my 30-pound fishing line. Other than that, I used everything that was included in the kit. I could have used curling ribbon that they included in the kit, but I kind of forgot about that curling ribbon. Anyways, curious to know how one kit would look like. I should have like set it up one kit and then added a second one, but I guess there's no way back. I will link and list everything in the description under the video, and a few pictures will be there as well. Absolutely and totally forgot to film an outro for this video yesterday. It was way too late at night and my brain wasn't functioning properly. So anyways, you guys, this is my take on these 2 balloon garland kits from Amazon. I hope you enjoyed this second expectation versus reality video. If you liked this video, if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you're new here, you guys, hit that subscribe button down below for more videos, and I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.